Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. If you want to know how to make these super delicious but very easy chocolate chip cookies, then just keep on watching. So first we're going to start off with our unsalted butter. And we're going to brown this butter on medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until it gets a rich dark brown color with the little foam on top. And we're going to pour this brown butter into our main mixing bowl. And you see all of that, those little remnants and particles at the bottom. You want to put all of that into your brown butter, okay? You want all of that. That's all the flavor. Now we're going to, with our dry ingredients, we're going to take flour, coarse kosher salt, and baking soda, all right? And we're going to whisk that together really well. All right, now we're going to pour some dark brown sugar into our brown butter, and you want to mix that together. And we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs. Now for our eggs, we're just going to add in the egg yolks, not the egg whites. Perfect. And we just added in our water and vanilla, and we're going to whisk this together until we get a caramel-like consistency. All right, now for the most important part, our chocolate. Now, for our chocolate, we're going to be using dark chocolate, preferably between 65% to 70% pure cocoa. Why? Number one, for the flavor. The cookie itself is already very sweet, so we don't need all the extra sugar from the milk chocolate. The dark chocolate will add a nice depth to the cookie with the rich cocoa taste. Number two, the darker the chocolate, the easier it melts in the oven. So if you use a milk chocolate or anything less than 60%, your cookies, you may not get a nice flat cookie. You'll probably get a mookie, which is a muffin slash cookie. Now we're just adding our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients, and you want to mix this up very well. Now guys, if your dough feels kind of sticky, that's just because your brown butter was still a little warm when you mix everything together. Just pop it into the freezer for 3 to 5 minutes until you get a nice solid dough like this. Now we're adding in our chocolate, and we're going to mix that together. All right, now we're going to take us a pan with some parchment paper, and we're going to start adding our cookies to it. Now, I like to use about 2 tablespoons per cookie. This recipe should make you about 12 cookies, and we're going to put these cookies in the oven for 8 minutes on 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're going to come out and they're going to look like this. And if they look a little too spread out or not perfect, just take a cup that's bigger than the size of the cookie and do this little circular motion you see me doing, and this will give you perfect circular cookies every time. Now the trick is you have to do it as soon as it come out the oven while they're still warm, okay? And here are our perfect chocolate chip cookies. 50% chocolate, 50% cookie. These cookies are perfect. Gooey center, chewy edges. The dark chocolate, the coarse kosher salt, and the brown butter just take these cookies to the next level. These taste like professional bakery cookies. I hope you guys try this recipe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I like to hear from you guys, and I'll see you next time.